everybody, got a 2016 Ford F150. I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light. Go ahead and put the key in the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the vehicle. It's going to come up with your menu. Over here, you're going to use the OK and arrow buttons. So you just OK through these, and then that brings up your engine information. If it doesn't, you can click these arrows until you get to that, and you'll see engine information, and then it tells you right there, hold OK to reset oil life. So you'll hold down the OK button, just keep holding it, and it shows reset back to 100%, and you're good to go.